Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to log in to Google Drive, whether you are accessing it for the first time or just need a quick refresher. We will walk you through the simple steps to sign in and start managing your files. Now let's get started. First, go to the Google website. Here, we will click on Use Another Account or sign in with a previous account. We will be choosing Use Another Account for this example. We will type in our email address. Once the email is entered, click Next. Now enter your password. If your password is already saved, just click Passwords. After entering your password, click Next. At this point, we can skip this step or choose to set it up. We will go ahead and skip it. We are now on the Google Drive dashboard. It really is that simple to log in. We can also access Google Drive through Gmail. Just go to your Gmail account. Once logged into Gmail, click the icon with the 9 dots in the top corner. Then click on Drive. You will then be taken straight to your drive. From here, you can access all your folders and files. Welcome to your Google Drive dashboard. That's it. We have successfully logged into Google Drive. Now you can upload, organize, and share your files anytime.